Hey, looking at your Fargo Moorhead West Fargo real estate update for the month of June. I'm John Hagen, eXp Realty. Overall, May looked really good. Not as good as last year, however, it was a nice increase since April. We'll dive right in. So inventory down 1% from last year, not a huge decrease. However, we do need to see inventory to go up to help with prices. And new listings being down 10% isn't going to help with that inventory, so we need to see more new listings. However, this was a great increase since April. April was a drop we didn't expect to see. Part of this might be because April was kind of a winter month and May was more of our spring. So we should see this continue to increase. Maybe June will have more new listings than May did. Average listed price up 8% from last year. We're going to see this continue probably to stay higher than last year's price. It shows confidence in the market that prices aren't going to drop, which is good. However, 8% is a increase higher than we'd like to see. We'd like to see more like 2%. Looking at sold properties, we have 23% less sales than last year. However, this was a nice increase from April. April was very concerning. Once again, part of that might be a lower because of the weather. We had a later spring. May was our spring month, so we should see this continue to increase in June. And then I'm not sure if it will peak in June. Maybe it will peak in July this year. We'll have to wait and see. Average days on market, 67% slower than last year at this time. However, we are faster than the rest of the previous months of the year, so that's a good thing to see. I don't think we're going to ever really get faster than last year with interest rates and demand and lower supply, but it is good to see that go a little bit faster. I think June will be around the same, and we'll have to wait and see. So our average sold price is up 7%. So we're not seeing prices go down at all. I don't think we're going to. I think they're going to stay probably above last year's, and a big part of this is inventory being lower and demand still being high. So houses are still selling. They're just not selling as fast, but they're still selling, and they're selling for more money than they were last year. If you're buying in this market, a couple tips for you. Know that inventory is low, so you might not get to see as many houses as you would in previous years, and there might be high demand based on your price point. So work with your realtor to know what to expect with the supply and demand in your specific price point and area. And then if you're selling in this market, a couple things for you. Know that it's going to take a bit longer to sell, so don't just get discouraged if your house is sitting on the market for more than it was last year. That's kind of expected. And then sold price averages up, so don't expect to have to drop your house or drop the price of your house too much in order to sell it. It just might take longer than it would last year. I'm happy to break down the data in your specific town, area, neighborhood to help you buy and sell smarter. All right, John Hagen, eXp Realty.